Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to type a square in keyboard in iPhone using a quick and easy shortcut trick. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the search bar at the top and type in keyboard. Step 3. From the list, tap on text replacement. Step 4. Tap the plus button at the top right corner to add a new shortcut. Step 5. Open the website link mentioned in the video description to get the square symbol. Step 6. Scroll down to the superscript section and find the square symbol, which looks like a small number 2. Step 7. Copy that square symbol by tapping and holding on it. Step 8. Go back to the Settings app and paste the copied symbol into the phrase field. Step 9. In the shortcut field, type any shortcut text you want, like correct to or something easy to remember. Step 10. Tap Save in the top right corner. Step 11. Open any messaging app and type your shortcut. When the square symbol pops up, select it. Boom, you've got it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.